Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A31 versus the Vivo V17. This is the latest phone from Vivo right now that comes with a Snapdragon 675 chipset with 8 GB of RAM, while the Samsung Galaxy A31 comes with a MediaTek Helio P65 chipset with 6 GB of RAM, and both phones comes with a quad cameras on the back as you can see. So very interesting to see who is perform faster and who is best for you. And Vivo V17, it is a little bit expensive phone than the Samsung Galaxy A31, especially in Pakistan market. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. Logo came up first, about the same on both phones, and also I feel little bit vibration on both these two devices. And both phones is running on Android 10. We have One UI 2.1 update on the Samsung Galaxy A31 versus a Fun Touch OS on the Vivo V17. And you can see Vivo V17, it is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A31, and about 1 or 2 second difference there between these two devices. And both phones comes with a full HD Super AMOLED display, but we have a punch hole on the right hand side on the Vivo V17 compared to a notch on the Samsung Galaxy A31. And guys, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background. So we're gonna start off by basic stuff. First application we have is the phone dialer, that is just a tiny bit faster on the Vivo V17. Now let's see settings, again a little bit faster on the Vivo V17. Calendar, and again a little bit faster on the Vivo V17. Vivo V17, it is feels really faster in system based application. Now let's see in the third party application, Amazon shopping, and this time Samsung Galaxy A31, it is faster there. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see no problem whatsoever. Instagram, exactly the same on both phones. Snapchat, that is about the same on both phones, I have to say. Let's see Spotify, faster on the Vivo V17. Now let's check out some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga, and let's see how much difference between the Snapdragon 675, and you can see Vivo V17, it is very faster than the Samsung Galaxy A31, especially in the Candy Crush app. Let's see the Subway Surfer, and let's see it is again happened or not. And you can see, and the pinhole feels really small on the Vivo V17, and you can see again Vivo V17 followed by the Samsung Galaxy A31. The Temple Run 2, and let's see who is faster there. And you can see again Vivo V17, it is just a tiny bit faster there, and feels like that this time. And you can see A31, it is just a tiny bit faster there for some reason. The Zedge application on both phones, and you can see Vivo V17, it is faster there. Now let's see the Twitter, and definitely faster on the Vivo V17. And last one, I'll change the cameras on both phones, faster on the Vivo V17, just a tiny bit faster there. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am seeing default Vivo internet browser on the Vivo V17 compared to a Samsung internet browser on the A31. Wikipedia.org, and you can see a little bit faster on the Vivo V17. Let's see the scrolling, feels very smooth on both phones. Next on the list is the WWE.com. It's a little bit heavy website. Let's see who is faster there. And Samsung Galaxy A31, it is open the website first, and it is also a little bit faster than the Vivo V17. And the Vivo V17, it is still taking some time, and now it is also done on the Vivo V17. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see feels really smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Now let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, and we have 8 GB of RAM compared to 6 on the A31. Phone dialer settings, refresh on the A31. Let's see the calendar, Amazon shopping, Instagram, let's see Snapchat, refresh again, Spotify, let's see the Candy Crush Saga, let's see Subway Surfer, Let's see the temper to Zedge. Let's see the Twitter. Last we are back to the internet browser, that is refresh definitely on the Samsung Galaxy A31. And guys, overall I have to say that the performance and apps opening speed, it is definitely much faster on the Vivo V17 thanks to a Snapdragon 675 chipset, while the Samsung Galaxy A31, it is right behind to the Vivo V17. RAM measurement is absolutely incredible on the Vivo V17, but many application refresh on the Samsung Galaxy A31. So we need some more optimization in the software on the Samsung Galaxy A31. I hope it will fix with some software updates. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A31 versus the Vivo V17, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.